Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful, fully loaded, custom ordered Recreation by Design Monte Carlo Platinum Edition 37SC triple slide fifth wheel. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 37 feet 2 inches, and the unloaded vehicle weight when it came off the assembly line is just under 10,000 pounds. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. This is a one-owner camper. The only reason why the owners are selling this camper is because they need something bigger. They've got another kid coming, and so they need more space. Maybe even, I'm guessing, a bunkhouse floor plan is in their future. So anyway, all right, got an idea of the floor plan here. Let's start on the big super slide here. Super slide accommodates the high-bed ultra leather sleeper sofa and the boot dinette. This is definitely a super slide. It's going to be at least 14 foot long and definitely 3 foot deep. All your fabrics are going to be looks like a black leatherette or ultra leather finish, and everything on the inside of this camper is pretty much showroom condition. And this is the big dinette, breaks down. You could easily sleep one grown adult, maybe even two kiddos if you wanted that option. You got it. All recessed puck lights, LED lights all throughout, so it saves you on your battery. Nice little divider here from the kitchen area to the living room. That ultra leather sofa again is in excellent condition, and it is a high-to-bed queen sleeper sofa. Some good lighting right here, kind of show off that stitching. Again, this is custom ordered. Not sure what the cabinets are, what they're calling that, maybe a maple. And you do have a brushed nickel hardware on all the cabinet drawer fronts. Nice tinted glass finish. Okay, spin around to the rear entertainment. The TVs, the two TVs that are in this coach right now do not come with the camper. So this coach is going to be without TVs when you buy it. Nice fireplace, probably a 5,000 BTU, kind of a heating source, and nice fireplace ambiance there, and these cabinets in the rear. Lots of storage space. It's going to be your second slide out. Accommodates the theater seating option. And these are recliners. Let's kind of show off the fabrics there. Elbow rest for remote controls. Cup holders. Oh, I do want to point out Lane Furniture tag there, or badge. Definitely nice. And this slide out is going to be at least 7 foot long and again 3 foot deep. Do you have a ceiling fan? All your AC is ducted all the way through. The AC in the living room is probably going to be a 15,000 BTU AC unit with the quick dump. Little quick dump louver there, opens it up, and you can dump cold air pretty quick, and then once the camper gets cooled off, you close that duct, and all your AC is ducted all the way through. And there is another AC unit in the bedroom, probably maybe a 13,500 BTU AC unit. I'll show that when I get up into the bedroom area. All right, in the kitchen, back in the kitchen area, you do have, it's going to be definitely one of the larger ovens. This is not your traditional oven that you usually get in an RV. It's definitely going to be the largest. This is a 4-burner gas cooktop, not a 3-burner. A lot of residential features on this camper. Show up the cabinets and drawer fronts. Microwave right there. Lots of counter space. Huge double bowl stainless steel sink. Lots of 110 outlets, by the way. There's 1, 2, and 3 in the kitchen, which is unheard of in most RVs or fifth wheels. Definitely you're not going to get 3 outlets within 5 feet of each other. But this is the ice maker. It does not come with it. The owners are keeping that. Kind of back up here. I want to show off that that plank flooring, residential grade vinyl flooring in the high traffic area, and then you have beautiful kind of a shag carpet in the living area, and all your carpets in 100% excellent condition. There's no sign of wear and tear on this camper whatsoever. Spin around here, kind of getting dizzy. Okay, refrigerator is going to be 8 cubic foot refrigerator by Dometic. There's a Dometic badge. It's gas and electric. Whether you're boondocking or hooked up to shore power, you are ready to go in a couple hours. Looks like they took out the trays. Probably they'll load it up. So huge pantry. A lot of times it's unheard of in some of the fifth wheels. Okay, and more storage up underneath the fridge. Walking up into the bathroom and into the master bedroom. This is going to be definitely one of the largest tubs you're going to get. It's a garden tub with seating area. Definitely the largest I've ever seen in a fifth wheel. Spin around here. It's going to be your foot flush China toilet or porcelain toilet, residential. It's not your traditional RV porcelain toilet, so that's definitely nice. More storage again. This camper is made for like a lake lot, or if you want to stay in it for a long period, this is what this camper is made for. Let's back up here, show off the vanity area. Definitely one of the largest medicine cabinets you're going to find in a fifth wheel, and definitely probably the most counter space you're going to find in a fifth wheel. This is 50 amp service, so you are washer and dryer ready, and the washer and dryers do come with the camper. Okay, speed up this video a little bit. Going into the master bedroom here. Again, that TV does not come with the camper. I guess if you're interested enough in the camper, you might be able to work something out with the owner. It's going to be your third slide out. Queen bed slides out. The bed does lift up, and you've got storage up underneath. And oh, I do want to point out, probably get with the owner, one of the little LED puck lights came out. Anyway, easy fix. Huge closet up front. This camper is loaded down, but there's no issues with water damage. I did check around the slide outs and inside out, did not find any issues. I think anybody who came out to look at this would definitely agree. This is definitely excellent showroom piece. Nice pocket door, wood pocket door for privacy. All right. Beautiful floor plan. All right, before we go outside, show off the monitor panel here. This is going to be your awning button. Got a large, I don't know, probably at least a 18-foot power awning with LED lights. It's going to be your monitor for your gray tank, which is your sink and shower. A monitor for your black tank, that's your toilet, and then fresh water tank, not sure what the size is, and battery, and water pump. Easy to figure out. These are going to be your living room lights, porch light. And these are going to be your slide buttons, and you also have a button in the bedroom for the bedroom slide button, or slide out. Okay. Oh, and this is going to be your furnace, your thermostat for your furnace, which is, I believe it's going to be at least a 35,000 BTU furnace. It might even be a 40,000 BTU furnace, and to operate both dual ACs. All right. Back up here, this is the aluminum corrugated skin. I did check for hail damage, and there are only a few little dents I'll show you on the back side. It's a non-issue, but anyway, I'm real particular when I do my walk-arounds. Again, the awning's definitely, it's probably going to be a 22-foot power awning. One of the largest you're going to find on a fifth wheel. LED lights, all the LEDs are working. Tinted windows. The tinted window tint's probably going to be an 80% tint. Kind of show down the side on these corrugated aluminum skins. When it's a nice sunny day, look down the side, get a good angle, and you can see little dinks. And if you see little dinks, usually it's hail damage, but I did not find really any issues. And again, I'll point out the 2 little dents that I saw on the back side when I get around to it. It's going to be your large LP tanks, 40-pound LP tanks, 1 on each side. Slam latch baggage doors. These are awesome, and they are insulated. Owners have this coach loaded down, but slam latch baggage doors, gotta love them. There's your exhaust for probably with your furnace, going to be again at least a 35,000 BTU furnace. And this is a triple axle. Again, this is perfect for a lake lot, or if you want to stay in it for long periods. Let's back up here, show off the back front side. As far as condition, 10 being the best, I would definitely rate this definitely a 10. I think any dealer would agree with me. There's that Monte Carlo Platinum Edition Signature Series badge, LTD. This is going to be your 50 amp power cord, marine style cord. Unplug it, roll it up and stow it away. Nice clean look when you're traveling. I do want to point out this does have a 20-gallon water heater, which is definitely the largest you're going to find in a fifth wheel. All the decals are in excellent showroom condition. Here's one of the dents right here. Not even sure if I can get it. Kind of spin around. There we go. It's cosmetic. It's a non-issue, really. Show out those dual axles on the back side there. It's going to be where you hook up your sewer hose. And it's going to be more storage. This is the full pass-through storage in your garage area. Again, it's fully loaded down, but to give you an idea, it's lots of huge storage. Slam latch baggage doors, water hookup for when you're hooked up to a campsite, and this is going to be your gravity water fill. This is going to be your other 40-pound LP tank right here. And see if I can show the other little dent. There's the other little dent I found. It's really a non-issue. I shouldn't even be pointing it out, but I do find it important to point out anything that may be a concern to a potential buyer. Beautiful camper. And it does have power jacks. Pan in on the buttons there. Full power jacks. And they are selective. So you can put one leg up, one leg down, adjust it if you need to. And show your storage compartment here, battery. That might be an inverter. Had to get with the owners on that. That might be the inverter. No, this coach does have a converter, but I believe that may be an inverter. Slam latch baggage doors. And again, your Platinum Edition badge there. Beautiful camper. If you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.